In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a bustling business or simply keeping your personal finances in check, knowing how to handle bills efficiently can save you both time and stress. Let's dive right into it and simplify the process together. First, you'll want to navigate your way to the New button, located conveniently at the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Clicking on this gives you access to a slew of financial tasks you can tackle. But for today, our focus is on the Pay Bills section. Select it to proceed to the next step. Once you've opened the Pay Bills section, you'll see a comprehensive list of bills that are either due or have already been paid. It's like having your payment responsibilities laid out in front of you, ready to be checked off your to-do list. Here, you'll have the freedom to select the specific bills you plan to pay. Simply check the box next to each bill you want to settle. This selection process helps you manage your payments strategically, prioritizing bills that need immediate attention or those that fit within your available budget. Next, you'll need to choose your payment account. This step is crucial as it determines which account the funds will be drawn from. At the top left of your screen, you'll find a drop-down menu listing your payment accounts. Whether it's a checking account or a business credit line, ensure you select the correct account to prevent any financial discrepancies later on. Equally important is setting the payment date. This is the date you intend for the funds to be withdrawn from your account. Carefully selecting the correct payment date can help you manage your cash flow better and avoid any complications with early or late payments. Once you've double-checked your selections, it's time to finalize the process. Go ahead and click Save. And just like that, you've successfully addressed another billing duty. QuickBooks Online will now recognize it as a paid bill, easing your financial tracking efforts. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you're well on your way to maintaining an organized and efficient financial system with the help of QuickBooks Online. Paying bills may not be the most thrilling task, but it certainly keeps the wheels of progress turning smoothly. I hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying the bill payment process for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks designed to make managing your finances as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.